real gold. It's that ice water.
So Corey says there was a spider here and it disappeared.
In my pants. Isn't it? It's going to push you over. The water might cut you out underneath. Oh.
We made it to level 8. Barely. That could fall at any minute. What happened at level 10?
Something's happened at level 10, yeah. This is back at level 10? This is it! Fuck you! What all this fucking way for this?
Danger, and what do? They cross over. Boys. So they've left me, and they're on the other side. I am respecting the sign and staying on this side where there is not as much danger. But yeah, that's our waterfall trek done. Day 2 in Chiang Mai. Going to somehow get back. Got to get back in like half an hour. Taxi driver's still waiting for us there. And then I'm going for a bit of a nap, I reckon. A good shower and a nap. And I've got a night temple walking tour thing booked at like 5 o'clock, so yeah, that'll be fun. They're coming back. Home stretch. Hopefully our taxi driver's still here, because we might be a little bit late. So we went all the way up, 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 up here, 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 up to there.